So are you ready to make that switch from complicated side dishes to simpler and healthier side dishes? Well, come along with us. We've got a great swap to teach you. And along the way, you're going to learn some reasons why you might want to add beets to your diet. I'm Marianne, and welcome to the Healthy Exchange. The Healthy Exchange is about helping you make those simple substitutions to your diet that are not complicated, rigid, or expensive. When you forego those diet trends, you can learn to make simple, healthier changes that can yield long-term health benefits. And today, we're ditching those complicated sides for simple, healthier sides. You're going to learn how to switch out those complicated sides and incorporate veggies and fruits that are tasty and nutritious. So since beets are one of the main ingredients in the recipe that we're about to show you today, I wanted to share with you some of the main benefits beets actually have, and here they are. Beets have the ability to lower blood pressure, fight inflammation, support brain health, aid in digestion, and improve athletic performance. Beets may also help you lose weight because they contain protein and fiber while having relatively few calories. And we're going to show you a simple way to incorporate these health benefits. So get ready, because Amy's up next, and she's going to show you a fairly quick and simple side that's not only nutritious but tasty. It's the perfect sub for those time-consuming sides. You can incorporate it even as a main dish. You can add walnuts that are high in omega-3s. You can add feta cheese, or you can add dairy-free cheese. It's versatile, and it's tasty, and it's nutritious. And by the way, don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this.
Hi, I'm Amy, and I'm here again to help you make another healthy exchange. I'm going to share with you something that I did one night just on the spur of the moment as a way to get some more healthy fruits and vegetables in our diet. And I decided to do this instead of just a boring green salad. So I decided to use these cups and make a simple salad, just using beets and raw pears. And then I just added a quick homemade vinaigrette, and it came together really simply in about 5 minutes, and my husband raved about it. So I'm going to walk you through how I did it.
Okay, first let's start working with the beets. You know, you can find these cups in the bigger grocery stores, but if you can't, you can always find a can like this to drain and chop these up. But we're just got to get these drained. The trickiest part is actually getting them opened. I'm going to use 2 cups for this recipe. You can buy a whole package of 4 cups for about $2, so about 50 cents for a serving for a ready-to-eat product is pretty good. And actually, a can of beets like this is even cheaper. So this cost me about 60 cents. Okay, so I drained all the liquid out, and I drained it out because I don't want to add all that extra sugar that was in there. I'm going to make my own dressing. So those are ready to go. I used 2 of those cups, and it's going to serve enough for about 4 people. So now let's go on to the pears. I've just taken these pears, washed them, and peeled them, and I just need to get them chopped up. So these pears are nice and ripe and sweet today, but the first time I made the salad, the pears that I bought at the store that day were still a little firm and not that ripe. So what I did is just cut them in half, and I popped them in the oven and roasted them for about 10 minutes or so, and it actually made them a little more tender, a little more sweet, and then they were perfect for my salad.
Okay, the last thing is the vinaigrette, and I'm going to share with you my trick, how to make a last-minute, delicious, and inexpensive fruit vinaigrette. And this will be as a substitute for the more expensive, like raspberry vinaigrettes that you buy in the store, and it can be healthier because you control the ingredients yourself. What I do is I have a little bit of jam or jelly left in a jar. I will use this to make a vinaigrette. So easy. So today I'm using cherry, sometimes I use raspberry, sometimes I use strawberry, but I'll make the vinaigrette right in this jar with just that little bit, about a tablespoon or so of jam left in the jar. And what I'm going to do is add my olive oil, my balsamic vinaigrette, or my balsamic vinegar, Dijon mustard, salt and pepper, and that's all what's in here. So that's just going to go in the jar. And then I'm just going to shake it up to death, and then my vinaigrette will be all ready for my salad. Okay, so my salad is all ready to go. I'm just going to serve it up in these pretty little cups. See, I'm going to put a little goat cheese on top just to make it look really fancy. If you have some fresh chopped herbs, that would be great too. But that's my salad for tonight. So I hope you enjoyed this time. I hope you get some inspiration and ideas of how you can take some simple shortcuts from the store and just have these fruits and veggies on hand so that you can put together some simple salads for yourself. And let me know what you come up with. Add that to the comment section, and feel free to like and share and subscribe. And it's good to see you. Hope to see you back here next time. Thanks.